In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target email lists with Google Ads. If you've ever wanted to reach your existing customers or subscribers with tailored ads across search, YouTube, Gmail, and more, the best place to start is inside Google Ads Audience Manager. I'll guide you to the exact area where email-based audiences are created and maintained so you can confidently set up and manage customer match lists. First, open your web browser and go to your Google Ads account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account with the right permissions for managing audiences. It's also a good idea to confirm that your business meets Google's policy and eligibility requirements for using customer data. Since Customer Match is only available to advertisers who comply with those rules, having that squared away will save you time later. Once you're in your account, look toward the upper navigation for the Tools and Settings menu. It's represented by a small wrench icon. Click that to open the full set of administrative and planning options. This is the hub for everything behind the scenes: billing, conversions, and most importantly for us, audience settings. In the menu that appears, find the section labeled Shared Library. This is where Google Ads stores resources you can use across multiple campaigns and ad groups. Think of it like your centralized shelf of reusable assets. Click Shared Library to open it. From there, choose Audience Manager. This is the control center for all your audience segments. Inside Audience Manager, you'll see areas for different segment types, including website visitors, app users, YouTube audiences, and customer lists. Customer lists are where your email-based targeting lives. This is the feature commonly known as Customer Match, and it allows Google to match the contact information you provide, like emails, to signed-in users for ad targeting while protecting user privacy. A few tips before you work with customer lists here. Prepare your file with clear headers such as email, and make sure the data was collected with proper consent. Keep your list clean by removing hard bounces and unsubscribes, and refresh them regularly so performance doesn't fade as your audience changes. Larger, well-maintained lists tend to match more reliably, and adding optional fields like first name, last name, or country can improve match rates when used appropriately. Also remember that Google handles hashing during upload, so you don't need to pre-hash your data unless your policy requires it. That's all you need to navigate to the right place. By going to Google Ads, opening Tools and Settings, selecting Shared Library, and then Audience Manager, you're exactly where email-based audiences are created and governed. From here, you can confidently manage your customer lists and use them in your campaigns to reach the people who already know your brand.